This video will guide you through the steps necessary to ensure a perfect fit for your new Vikingbags Enduro tank bag. Follow these steps to properly secure your bag, and you'll be ready to ride. Your new Enduro tank bag includes the following hardware: one rear harness kit with 2 straps, one long elastic keeper strap, and 2 buckles. One front harness kit with one long strap and one short elastic keeper strap and 2 buckles. Detach one of the buckles and remove the mounting strap from the elastic keeper and place the harness on top of the tank. Place the free end of the mounting strap under the frame and around the steering column, and then back through the elastic keeper. Detach the buckle from the 2 straps and remove the elastic keeper. Take a free strap and run it around the frame column, forming a loop. Pass the end of the strap through the D-ring and pull it to tighten. Pass the end of the strap through the ring in the elastic keeper, then reattach the buckle. Repeat this process for the other side using the remaining strap. Attach the tank bag. Place the Enduro tank bag on the bike. Attach the buckles on the bag with the buckles on your previously installed harness kits. Pull the straps to tighten the bag securely. Your new Enduro tank bag is now mounted and you're ready to ride. Excess straps may be cut off. Make sure to leave at least 4 inches for adjustment. Please consult the installation information included with your new Vikingbags product to ensure a safe and proper fit.